What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So let's talk about 5 positions that are under a dollar that are going to make you millionaires. Now, this is not guaranteed to make you a millionaire. It's just giving you that opportunity, I believe, especially as you look out the next 10 years. It's giving you the opportunity. And also, one of these positions isn't really below that $1 mark that we're looking to get to. But I thought it was a very interesting position and treat it as an asterisk. Let's say 4 plus 1, right? 5, whatever. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon. Those links are in the description. Now, don't forget about my Rumble account. If you guys want to follow me on Rumble, we hit 400 followers. So I appreciate everybody that has followed. If you're not following me, please go follow me. It does help out. Drop kick that like button on any video that you see. And let's go ahead and get into this. So the reason why I'm trying to bring this your way is because I feel like a lot of people will throw Bitcoin and Ethereum down your throat. We'll throw a lot of things that are on the first page of the crypto market by market cap right in your face and say, these positions are the way to go. When in reality, most millionaire success stories that we've seen so far have been from things that were off of the first page, right? Whether it was Shiba Inu at the lowest point, whether it was people talking about Bitcoin at $1, and they're always mentioning that. And they're like, I'm going to give you the next best play. It's like Bitcoin at $1 was worth at max, which it wasn't because it didn't have 21 million coins. But Bitcoin at $1 was worth at max $21 million worth of a market cap. That's at max. And we're comparing it to things like Solana, which is worth like 18 or 20 billion dollars or something, or XRP, which is worth 35 billion dollars. Like, why would you compare the two when they're in completely different stages of their life, right? And yes, you can say you still could gain a heck of a lot with XRP, but let's try and compare like apples to apples, or at least like, not apples to oranges, but apples to Honeycrisp apples, or Gala apples to Fuji apples, or whatever, right? I don't know what they are, but still, I think I know a lot about apples. Either way, make sure you guys understand that there's more to the crypto market than just the first page. So let's go ahead and get into this, and let's start with the first one. And I think it would only make sense for me to start with this one, and that is Terra Luna Classic. I feel like Terra Luna Classic has so much potential and so much of an ability to grow, and so many unknowns that it makes it very interesting to give you that opportunity to become a millionaire off of this play. Currently sitting at a $427 million market cap. It's listed at 102 by market cap, so off of the first page. It was on the first page for a while, but now it is off of the first page. And you're seeing it at a $33 million day in volume. Now, Terra Luna Classic has a lot going for it. Obviously, again, with the community, the build of that community, understanding the different things that can be created on the Classic chain, as well as seeing that hopefully the algorithm back in place with the stablecoin back stabilized at a level of $1. But that's only if we can find a path to get there. But honestly, the unknown is what makes it really, really interesting. So it shows so much growth potential. Even to get back to a level of a penny would still only be a $58 billion market cap. This was at a $40 billion market cap while it did have utility and everything, but now it has more or less the strength of the holders and making it more of that community-led project to push it up to some of these areas. So Terra Luna Classic, definitely a good play. I have to start with it because it just makes sense to go that route. You look at it at a penny, and me holding 55 million, which is valued at about $3,000, $4,000. Holding this much, I could potentially have $550,000 at a level of a penny. A lot of people believe that this is going to go to a level of 2 cents or 3 cents, or even up to that illustrious level of $1, right? That goal that we can get to of $1, which would be $55 million. So that always gives you that potential. The next play that I have on my list would be Anchor. Anchor is sitting at about 2 cents at a $227 million market cap, currently at 150 by market cap. And this has so much potential. I think even just taking away 2 zeros gives you a 100x. Looking at an ability of maybe putting in $10,000 if you possibly could, and I'm not saying that you should, but if you did, that would give you the opportunity to gain that 100x, adding 2 zeros to that, basically giving you that $1 million level. Now, I feel like it can go a lot further than just hitting a dollar. I feel like what you could see within this position will be so much more than where it stands right now. I currently have about $300 worth, and I plan on adding more to the pot as time goes on because I feel as though Anchor has something really, really strong with it. And if we look at the past, we look at the information of the past, we see that this has gotten to a 20-cent price multiple times, and it's going to break through that 20-cent price as time goes on. It only has 10 billion total coins in circulation or in total supply as well. That means that if it gets to a dollar, it's a $10 billion market cap. If it finds a way to get to $2, $3, $4, $5, it's a $50 billion market cap. If it does have the strength that we believe that it could have, we could see this up in those levels and gaining us not only a 100, but a 200x or even further than that, depending on how much we have invested. So I feel as though this can give you that opportunity at being less than a dollar to really push you up to that next level that you really want to, which is at millionaire status. Now, while I'm also mentioning Terra Luna Classic, I also have to mention Terra. Right, the project that was built in place of Terra Luna Classic, but also keeping Terra Luna Classic there, which I'm happy that they did because I decided to invest into it and, be a part of that community, as well as wanted to hold a little bit of Terra and actually make money from Terra through the launch and all the processes that have happened. Now, with Terra Luna Classic making a move, you're going to expect to see anything that's kind of running adjacent to it to kind of run with it. And it's going to be Terra that's going to run with that position and maybe even have ability to grow a lot further, because what you're seeing is only a 1 billion coin total supply, looking at a circulating supply of 585 million, meaning that it has, yes, it can get to a $40 price point, $50 price point, and that would still only be at max a $50 billion market cap. So with that being said, that means that you can grow a lot from where we are and even from where we were. So it gives you that opportunity, depending how much you invest, to really gain a lot with this position. And I feel as though it has to be there if I'm talking about Terra Luna Classic. Now, this is only going to be the first breakdown of different positions under a dollar. If you guys like this series, we can always go through other positions. There are thousands of coins that are out there, and there's a lot of opportunities that people can see, and it's all about the opportunity. The point about these videos is to give you at least a set of eyeballs to look at this, right? At least open your eyes to Terra, open your eyes to Terra Luna Classic, open your eyes to Anchor and things of that nature, and then you do maybe a little bit more research into it to see if you like it. Now, the next play, as you can see up on the top of the screen, is Jasmy Coin. Jasmy is one of my largest investments. I have CRO and I have Terra Luna Classic that I hold some of the most, and then I have Jasmy Coin, which is up there. I feel like Jasmy Coin is going to give people a ton going forward. And Jasmy Coin is that Internet of Things provider, which I feel as though is basically everywhere, and the Internet of Things sector is going to be worth multiple trillions of dollars as we go forward. It's on multiple exchanges, many different places to where you can buy it and hold it. It's currently sitting at a $251 million market cap, 148 on the list, so it's on the second page. We're also seeing $33 million worth of volume. This does have some popularity, and majority of the supply is actually out there. They are going to have their lockup in the first quarter of 2024, which is their fourth quarter. So once they do that, we may see, 1 to 30 billion that ends up coming off the top, which gives it now a higher ceiling. Who really knows exactly how much that is? It's a large range, and I don't know how much will be locked up. But the point is that something will be locked up. Now, with this being at 51% of a penny, it opens up the door for so much more. There's only, I didn't mean to rhyme there, but I did. There's only $49 billion coins that's there. So if you could see a $1 billion market cap, you're looking at a decent price. You're looking at, basically 4 times where we are, which would be a 2-cent price. And you're looking at 4x right now. As you see this at a $50 billion market cap, that's the level of a dollar, meaning that you're not only taking away or adding, two zeros to your balance, you're adding three zeros to your balance, right? So that's absolutely huge to be able to see that. And if you currently hold 1 million Jasmy coin at that level, that gives you the opportunity to be a Jasmy millionaire. So that's one of the other options that I have. And the last one that I have is a newer position that I looked into and someone else actually looked into as well, which is API 3. It looks pretty interesting to me. As I see 86 million coins in circulating supply, or 125 million coins total that's there, it does look a little bit interesting to me as I take a closer look at it. Now, this is not below $1. It's at $1.37, but it is sitting at $118 million market cap, with a 200, or currently at 262 when it comes to that list. You're not on the second page, you're on the third page here at 262. If we look at all history, in the last 7 days, it has dropped by 7% or 10%. In the last month, it's up by 24%. In the last year, it's down by 1.6%. In the last all history that you see within this from 2021, we saw this up to $9 or so. So it gives you that opportunity to really push a lot further. And even while it was there, you saw the dilution that came into play. And now you have basically all of, or most of, the supply that is introduced. And as you see majority of the supply that's introduced, that's where it gets me very, very interesting. Now, it is offered on basically every exchange: Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, BitThumb, everything that you want to see there. And but just to give you the basics, so smart contracts often struggle to access dependable data, but application programming interfaces, APIs, have been touted as a solution to this problem. API 3's stated goal is to allow decentralized versions of APIs to be built, managed, and monetized at scales. As blockchain technology plays an ever bigger roles in economy for decentralized finance to supply chain management, the team behind the project says that it has never been more important for smart contracts to provide timely, reliable, real-world data. So, you understand a little bit of what that is. I definitely implore you to look at this position a little bit more. And as you look at this position, you'll understand where it does go and where it could go. With all the different places that it is offered on, it makes sense. So those are the positions that I had for you guys. I wanted to talk to you about, 5 different positions that are under $1-ish that can give you so much more potential and hopefully make you a millionaire, hopefully make you a lot of money. So guys, if you like this list, let me know. I can make another video like this and give you a lot. There's so many coins that are out there. So guys, if you could, make sure you hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. And also make sure you follow me on Rumble. But I'm gonna get out of here and I'll catch you in the next video. See ya.